Today's question is, a sequence is defined by t1 equal to 2 and tr equal to tr minus 1 plus 4r minus 2 for r greater than equal to 2. The sum of the first 10 terms of this series is S10. Find the value of S10. So our goal is to find value of S10. Let's see the solution. First observe what they given. They given a recurring relation which is tr equal to tr minus 1 plus 4r minus 2. First expand the first few terms and observe how the pattern goes. Here r is greater than equal to 2. So that means we have to take r starting from 2. So let's take r as 2. So if we take r as 2, then t2 that is equal to t r minus 1, that is 2 minus 1 which is 21 plus 4 times the r values we are taking as 2 minus 2. Now let's take r as 3. So t3 equal to t r minus 1, that is 3 minus 1 which is 2, t2 plus 4r minus 2, that is 4 times 3 minus 2. And we know t2 value. What is t2? t1 plus 4 times 2 minus 2. So this is the value of t2. Still we have 4 times 3 minus 2. So let's take that plus 4 times 3 minus 2. Now let's take r as 4. That is t4 equal to tr minus 1. That is 4 minus 1 which is 3 plus 4 times 4 minus 2. And we know t3 value. So let's write the t3 value here. So what is t3? t3 is t1 plus 4 times 2 minus 2, 4 times 3 minus 2. t1 plus 4 times 2 minus 2 plus 4 times 3 minus 2. This is the t3 value. Still we have 4 times 4 minus 2. So what are you observing here? Each time we go one step higher, we add another term of the form of 4k minus 2. See here 4 times 2 minus 2, 4 times 3 minus 2, 4 times 4 minus 2, and starting always we have t1. If you want to write the general term, how can we write this as tr equal to, always we have a starting t1. So let's write t1 plus 4 times, here we have 4 times 2 minus 2, 4 times 3 minus 2, 4 times 4 minus 2. So simply we can write this as 4k minus 2, and this k starts from 2. So that's why you have to write summation k equal to 2 to r. So this is a general term for this recurring relation, isn't it? The given condition we converted into possible way. So now we have to take this general term and try to find the value of S10. tr equal to t1 plus summation k equal to 2 to r 4k. So first write 4k. Here in 4k 4 is a constant, so just write 4 as front. Then we can write k equal to 2 to r, this is k, minus 2 also constant, just write summation k equal to 2 to r. Here we have a 1. Now observe here summation k. This is summation k formula. Summation k formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. Here the summation k, it starts from 1 to n. So that's why the formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. But in our general form we have a summation k starts from 2 and then ending at r. So according to this formula we can write this as r into r plus 1 over 2 minus 1, because it starts from 2 not by 1. So that's why we have to subtract minus 1 here. So 4 into summation k, we can write this as r into r plus 1 over 2 minus 1. This is for the summation k, minus 2 into summation 1. So what is the formula for the summation 1? To find the number of terms of the summation 1, so if we have a ranges from a to b, the formula is b minus a plus 1. But in our general form, we have a summation k 2 to r. So that means our ranges is 2 to r. We have to take b minus a. So that is r minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 plus 1 which gives minus 1. So finally r minus 1. Summation of 1. So we can write this as r minus 1. Just simplify this. Here r into r plus 1 over 2 minus 1. If you take LCM here, so over 2 then minus 2. So here 2 and here 2 gets cancelled. So we left t1 plus 2 times r square plus r minus 2. This is minus 2r plus 2. Here 2r power 2 plus 2r minus 4 Here what we have, minus 2r plus 2. Minus 4 plus 2, which use minus 2. And starting we have t1. So in the given question, what they given t1 as 2. So let's write t1 as 2. Here we have plus 2r and minus 2r. So these two gets cancelled. We left only plus 2 r power 2 minus 2. Again here plus 2 minus 2 gets cancelled. We left only 2r power 2. So finally our tr, the value is 2r power 2. And then given question, what they given, the sum of the first 10 terms of this series is S10. So if you take sum of the first 10 terms, that is going to be 10 terms. That's why you have to take summation r equal to 1 to 10 terms. The first 10 terms, 2r power 2. So here we can write this as 2 times summation r equal to 1 to 10 r power 2. So what is the summation n power 2 formula? N into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 over 6. Isn't it? So that's why we can write this as 2 times r into r plus 1 into 2r plus 1 over 6. Here the r value is up to 10. So you have to take 10 as r. So 2 times, what is r value? 10. If r value is 10, then r plus 1 the value is 11. Then 2r plus 1 the value is 21 over 6. You have to cancel this all. 2 1s are 2 3s are. 3 1s are 3 7s are. 7 11s are 77. 77 times 10, which is 770. So finally the S10, the value is 770. That's it. If you like the content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.